Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dagne and today I am very excited because I have been testing out this item for the last couple of months since actually Black Friday. They had a 20% off discount on the website and I decided to buy it and I have not been disappointed so far. I'm talking about the Dagne Dover Landon Carryall in size small. And this is what it looks like, and I've been loving it so much just because it suits my lifestyle. I do work Monday to Friday, and I feel like I do carry a lot of things and I am missing one thing in here. And I did want it to be, because it is like we have to like dress up like business attire, but I didn't want it to be like too like dressy, but I didn't want it to be too casual, so it kind of is in the middle and I do really like it. It is very easy to like carry, it is easy to clean, so all of that is, you know, something that I was looking for, and it's very organized in the inside as well, and the quality is also there as well. This one was $107 with 25 cents with a 20% coupon for Black Friday. This is what it looks like. This is the size small. This is made out of a neoprene fabric. It's very, very sturdy, very easy to clean. You can wash it in cold water, or what I've done is just use a damp cloth. So this is what it looks like. It does have a very sturdy 10-inch drop handle. This is what it looks like, and it's very, very sturdy. And this is what the front looks like. You can actually clasp these here, which I'm going to do right now, which is how I typically wear it. This is how it looks. I think it looks a little better, but when you do need additional space, you can kind of unclasp those. So this is how the front looks. This is the side. This is the back. And what I love about the back, just because I'm losing my phone all the time, but not since I've had this purse, you can put your phone in here, and every time obviously you'll know where it is, as opposed to having it in your bag just loosely in there. So that is ideal. It did start to like unravel from the inside, I don't know if it like tore, but that doesn't really matter because you can't see it from the outside. So this is the back, and it has this long strap that is also adjustable, so you can go like that, make it longer. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, it also has this little plastic little belts that you can put over the handles, and it keeps them together. You can do that. It does say Dagne Dover here as well. So I'm going to show you guys on the what I have on the inside, just so you guys have an idea of what you can fit in here. So first and foremost, I do have my 32-ounce water bottle, my Hydro Flask. This is a pretty big water bottle, so keep in mind as well. I always like to have water with me just because I get really thirsty all the time. I do have a reusable bag, my Invisalign, my sunglasses, a coin purse, my AirPods. What else? This little bag with more essentials in the inside. This is Kipling. My keys. My Kipling wallet. This is what it looks like. I love this one too because you can clean it with a damp cloth and it's good to go. And it does have this little attachment with this mesh bag. I have some feminine products in here and a hand sanitizer, and you can actually unclasp it from here and unclasp it from here. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of show you guys the inside. I'm going to stand up just so you guys can see better. this is what the inside looks like. It does have a lot of compartments, which I like, just so everything isn't just like, you know, loosely in there. And so on this side, you do have a zipper little bag here. So you have that here. You have another bag here as well. You have another additional compartment here, and you can actually fit like an iPad in here. I don't need to put like iPads or a tablet in here. And it has this little strap, so it's nice and secure. But I do put my makeup in here when I do carry it. So on each side it does have a compartment, and on each side as well, on the inside, it does have another compartment as well. So as you can see, there's a compartment here, right here, and it's the same compartment on the other side, which I really do appreciate because it keeps everything organized and not everything is just flapping around. I'm gonna go ahead and put the things in my purse. So that kind of goes on the just like middle portion. My sunglasses are gonna go on the side, along with my Invisalign. I'm gonna put my coin purse in there as well. And put my AirPods on the other side here. I'm gonna put my keys in here. And I'm gonna put my hydro flask. Zip it up. And you can zip it like going two ways. So you can zip it like that. And also unzip it and then zip it this way. Really sturdy zipper. And this is how it looks without the, like putting this on the sides. This is how it kind of looks. I use it mostly like the other way. But if you do need to put more items in there, you have that additional space here. But I always use it like this just because I like the way it looks. So it looks like that. I'm going to strap this as well. It does have the Dagne Dover logo right here. I'm going to show you guys how it looks when I have it on my shoulder. This is what it looks like. Just like that. I am 5'5". Just for reference, it looks like that. Let's see further away. It looks like that. So it has, like, it's not too high up like that. It's perfectly situated on my shoulder. So it looks like that. And now I'm going to show you guys how it looks when I have the long strap on, because I do find myself like I need my hands available. So this is what it looks like. So that's how it looks like. I do further back so it's like completely out of your way. But I like to carry it like this. So this is what it looks like. Again, this is the size small. According to the description, this is 12 inches by 6 inches by 7.5 inches in height. So that's one of the things that I took a look at. They do have different sizes: extra small, small, medium, extra large. No, large and extra large. So I feel like it is really important if you look at the sizing, depending on your lifestyle, the things that you carry every day. So definitely take a look at that. For this one in particular, this one's perfect for me, but I can put more things, but I am trying not to carry just so many things that I don't even need. So this is ideal for me. I may get the larger, the medium, and maybe in another color, we'll see. So far I have loved it so far. It's not even dirty. When it did get dirty, I just used a wet cloth to clean it. but so far I have been really loving it. It's $125 full price, and to be honest guys, it is worth every penny, especially because of me and I've used it every day. It's ideal for me, so it was worth, and it is worth every penny. I do highly recommend this purse. If you guys have any bags that you highly recommend as well, I would love to know. Let me know down below. As you can tell, I definitely do love this bag and I recommend it. Depending on your lifestyle, you could get a smaller one or a larger one. So it really depends on your preference, but so far I have been loving it. If you guys happen to like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And again, tell me anything you guys want to see me do for future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.